Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Dee. I am the creator of this channel. I need to come up with a new introduction because that one sucks. But anyways, I'm really excited here today because I'm going to be doing another lash extension video. If you follow me before, you know I love DIY or at-home eyelash extensions. I used to use professional eyelash extensions before. They are time consuming, they are costly, and so I was looking for another alternative, and because my eyelashes are barely there and non-existent, pretty much translucent, I decided that I wanted to look for an alternative. How can I use something other than mascara? And I came across these DIY or at-home eyelash extensions and have completely fallen in love with them. So I found this company on Instagram, so I'm always perusing through, and I decided to go ahead and give them a try. And if you have done or followed some of my videos or watched some of my videos, a lot of times I do not like to use other people's glue, mainly because they are like the dollop glue. They are like the falsy glue, but I was really excited for this company because they have a micro mascara wand where you just swipe it on your lashes and you go. That is the only glue that I will try out, because the other glue where you have to individually dip each of the lashes like you do with falsies, it drives me insane. It is not dummy proof. I never know how much glue to put on, end up putting too much or not enough, whatever it is, and it is super time consuming. So I was excited about this company. So I have my other phone right here. Let me tell you a little bit about the company. So they are based in Canada, but their website does have USD prices, which is really cool. You know exactly how much you're getting. As far as the lashes, they have these sets right here. They come with three sets of eyelashes within it, and they are varying prices. So this one right here is Influence, and this one goes for $23.49. Some of the other ones, like their doll's eyes, go for $28.19. The anniversary collection, where you get 3 different lashes, go for $23.49. So they're kind of a little bit, I want to say all over the place. They're within a realm, but you're going to have to look at each of the lashes. It might be a different price, so it's not like a set price. So these Influence lashes, I'm really excited. First off, the packaging is super cute. You open it like this, and these just looked really, really pretty. They remind me of the Lilac Street Originals. And I think they are, let me see, I'm looking on the website now. So it says it's an everyday look with a side of drama. This one speaks for itself and comes in a modest length of 12 millimeters. So you don't have the option of choosing what length you want, kind of like with Lashify or Lilac Street. And each of the different styles, if you will, come in different ones. So some of them are 14 millimeter, I think some of them are 16. So you really have to look at the description to make sure that you're getting a length that you want. Because if you are a 10 millimeter girl like me, they don't have a lot. I think maybe they have one option, but these, I've been kind of diving a little bit more on the 12 millimeter, and I figure I'd give these a try because they do look really pretty. So the method is the same. They say cleanse your lashes, apply the bond, put it on, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, so that is the first one. They also do have where you can get them individually, but they do not have every single style, or at least they don't have every single style in stock. So individually, it looks like you're gonna be paying, so $11.74, which is, you know, again, that's USD. That is what, not almost double, but it is significantly more expensive than like Lilac Street. This isn't the one Flourish. They have 6 different styles. They were out of 2 of them, so I ended up getting this one. So you really have to look at the style. You might see a style that you really like, but it might be too long for you. So that's the one negative, if you will, but this is a small company. They actually hand wrote me a card. I thought it was so cute. It's a little thank you letter here, and it says, Danielle, that's my real name. Thank you so much for your order. I hope it brightens your day, Lee and Shelby. But I thought that was so cute. So it is a small business shop. I love supporting small business. Canada to me is more expensive, so that's why you're paying the more, you know, the higher prices, but it is what it is. So I think today, as far as the lash styles, these look a little bit longer for whatever reason. They're a little bit fluffier. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Influence. I'm gonna go do the Influence. I don't know, I feel that. So this is the lash glue that they have. It's called Strong Grip Long Lasting Lash Glue. I'm interested to see. Okay, so yeah, cute little micro wand. This is the only method that I will wear. I refuse to do any other method, but let me see how much it is. But the mascara one is $11.74. And then they also have an original tip one in black and white, and those are $11.74. So if you do like, sometimes with stacking, it's a little bit easier if you have that little tip mechanism. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead again and do these lashes. One thing that I can tell you right off the bat that I like is that the band is small. I hate the band that has that wire mechanism, that fishing line kind of thing that holds them together. I much prefer something like this. So the real test, and if you watch any of my other videos, I hate the glue mechanisms because sometimes it's hard to get off, but I wanna see if these are easy. The Lilac Street ones are easy. I think the Her lashes were easy. This one is pretty easy. Yeah, not bad getting off. I'm thankful for that because I hate tweaking the lashes. They're coming off like a charm. The only thing is the glue is actually stuck to that little band. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. That is the finished look. I was having a little bit of challenges, and it's mainly because if you look right here on the package, none of the glue comes off, which I didn't realize until I started putting it on. But when you pull the lash from the actual container, there's still that little glue band in there. So you have to individually pull it off, which makes it challenging because I felt like one of them I ended up tweaking and I ended up cutting it in half and putting it on this side of the eye, so it ended up working. But it's just really easy to tweak if you have to pull that strip off. Some of the other ones like Lilac Street, it's a band that goes along, but when you pull it off, there's no like glue residue left on it. This one, it is challenging. It wasn't the worst in the world, but it does take a lot more time to kind of prep them and everything. And when I first put them on, I ended up putting the first one on, it was fine. The second one, when I put it on, there was a little piece of a hair, not like a human hair, but like a little piece of fluff, if you will, on here, and I could feel it poking my eye. I actually can feel another one over here, so I'm gonna have to get up in there and try to figure out where that little piece of lint is. And I feel like it's because the glue is, I put it down on my little sticky mat, and because the glue was still on there, it picked up whatever stuff was on there. So it's a little annoying. I'm gonna have to figure out that out. As far as the lashes, I did have to, you saw I stacked right there because I felt like, it was a little bit separated. But as far as everything else, they are super comfortable. The band is really small, so that adds in the comfort. It reminds me a lot of Lilac Street. Like these here remind me of the originals in 12 millimeter. I don't feel much of a difference, but they are a decent lash, aside from that stupid hair that's driving me insane. But other than that, I think that's, they're good. I did like the micro wand. It makes it so much easier, and as you saw in the demo thing or whatever, I can stack with them. They did stack just fine. Yeah, so as far as the lashes go, I feel like the lashes they're good quality. They do feel super soft. They're not that plasticky feeling. I do like, I mean, so far the glue, I'll let you know if for whatever reason I don't get the longevity that I normally do. Okay, I wanted to come on here real quick and insert this clip before you guys get to the end, because I have just woken up this morning and I lost one of these little lashes yesterday. I noticed, I don't know exactly where I did. I lost it, but I was like, oh, there's a gap there. But then this morning you can see this little guy is hanging on by a thread. He is barely hanging on. It seems like all the other ones are okay, but I just wanted to come back and show you guys. So it's been, I did it on Saturday. So all day Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days I got out of the glue. That's why I love the Pro Glue from Lilac Street, because I can get a full 7 days, no problem. But I'm gonna have to go in and fix this one. I'm actually gonna fix it with the Pro Glue because I'm not ready to do my lashes because I just did them a couple days ago. But I wanted to come on here and insert this clip real quick. As far as the lashes go, the lashes are amazing. I really, really like them. They're high quality. They're super comfortable. I love the band and I love the look of these lashes. They're very natural. They're kind of like my lashes, but better. So if you're looking for a super natural lash, these are awesome. But the problem I have is from the exchange from, you know, Canada to USD, they're still like $11, where I can get Lilac Street for $7 with just this similar quality. So if you're in the United States, I mean, save your money. If you're in Canada and you want to support a local business, 100%, I think these lashes are amazing. Their glue just isn't as great as Lilac Street. Leave your comments below if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.